The McDonald's Philippines brand representatives for a photo with SB19, and of course, let us all greet our Pinuno, Pablo, a very happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
All right, happy birthday, Pablo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Bago ang lahat, of course, let us have we will ask for your message. Would you like to say anything?
First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord for the wonderful 20 years of my life. Ayun po, syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa SB19. Alam niyo naman po na kung araw-araw namin kayo mapapasalamatan, gagawin po namin yun kasi binago niyo po yung buhay namin and nandito kami ngayon kundi dahil sa inyo. At syempre maraming salamat din po sa McDonald's family for the wonderful cake, syempre, and sa suporta na binigay niyo at tiwala niyo sa SB19. Salamat din po sa lahat ng team po ng SB19, syempre sa members and Miss Philip. Thank you so much.
Siyempre, blow mo naman yung cake and make a wish, Pablo. Yeah?
Yeah.